go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So this morning we are here together with the first group to present a role play. But we will not start unless Enzo will sit down. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we will start. Are you ready, guys?
No.
Because I'm ready. I'm so excited.
Okay,
ready? Okay, be quiet, okay? Because we'll be asking you some questions later. Okay. Okay, Rana. Once upon a time in the land full of spices and rich heritage, there was a poor hunter who caught a parrot in the forest. But before he could kill it, the parrot suddenly talked.
Wait, stop! Don't kill me!
What? You can talk? I've never seen such a thing.
Take me to the queen and I'll make you rich, all in exchange for my life.
You sure will be worth a lot for a talking bird like you. Come, let's go to the queen at once.
And off they went to the castle of Her Majesty.
Your Majesty, I bring you an animal unlike any other.
What is this animal you speak of?
The queen took one good look at the colorful bird that came into the court, and she liked it at once.
How much for the bird? 8,000 rupees, Your Majesty.
The queen could hardly believe her ears, but she immediately bought it, for she knew it was worth more than her gold. The queen was pleased with what her parrot could do. That soon her subjects and everyone else in her courts were also impressed with what the parrot, not only for what it knew, but what it could also say. But trouble was about to come unto this beautiful creature, for the queen's wives plotted a way to kill the bird. Because the queen gave all of his attention to his new pet and left none to them.
Oh, wise one, who do you think is the ugliest among us two?
The plan was that if the parrot named any of them, they would kill it because of its rudeness. But the parrot was wise.
Let me out of my cage first so I can look at you too closely.
The daughters then let the bird out. As soon as the parrot was free, she flew away while saying,
None of you is more than fair than the princess that lives beyond the sea.
a few days later, when the queen came back, she was saddened by the escape of her beloved pet, that she could neither eat nor sleep. But soon, the parrot came back to tell the queen everything that has happened.
Your Majesty, I am back. Your daughters plotted a way to kill me, all because you gave your attention to me and left none to them.
So great was the queen's love for the bird, that on hearing this, she sent her daughters away and told them to never return to the palace again.
Get out of my palace! Oh, wise one, is it true that the princess beyond the sea more beautiful than all my daughters? It is true, Your Majesty. Yet she is lonely, and her wicked uncle is planning to marry her off to the Black Prince, a very cruel man. Your Majesty, you must save her. How can I help? Get on your flying horse, and I'll show you the way.
The queen at once sat on her flying horse and took off with the parrot as her lead. Together they flew across the sea. When they arrived at the place, the queen hid behind the bushes of the palace garden and patiently waited for the princess to come out. When she did, the queen threw golden buttons upon her path. These golden buttons the parrot had advised the queen to bring along to lure the princess in and save her.
Now's the time! Save her and flee!
Oh, thank you for saving me, kind
You're welcome, but there must escape scream now.
But in her excitement, the queen forgot that he was allowed to whip the horse only once. Instead, she whipped the animals many times so as to make it fly faster. Slowly, the magic horse lost its power and landed on a nearby forest owned by the Black Prince. Oh no! Dogs are barking.
Arf, arf.
Arf, arf, arf.
I shall Don't worry, I'll protect you from all the harm.
It so happened that the Black Prince was hunted, and his dogs led him to the princess and the queen. And since the princess was promised to be married to the Black Prince, the princess was taken away while the queen was beaten up by the prince's soldiers.
I shall be taking the princess.
The pirate fight.
Your Majesty, are you alright? Don't worry, I will nurse you back to health and help you find the princess once again.
Weeks turned to months and the queen felt better, but she still wasn't able to find the princess. Meanwhile, the princess was kept prisoner, and oh, she missed the kind queen. But soon, she had an idea.
What if I put seeds in the window so that the parrot can find me and help me find the queen?
Eventually, the news reached the parrot that a girl was feeding birds in her garden. When the parrot saw who it was, both were overjoyed.
Oh, wise one, is your master well? Where is she?
She's fine, and she's not far away from here. Yet, she's weak.
Well then, I will get my flying horse and you will lead the way.
Off they went to save the queen, and after a short while, they arrived at the forest where the queen was resting.
Your Majesty, you are okay. Let's get out of here.
Thank you for coming for me. I'm glad that you weren't harmed when you were captured by the Black Prince. Okay, let us save the talking for now. It's getting dark and we must head home.
The princess, the queen, and the parrot then went off and flew into the coloured skies, and together they flew home safely. As for the parrot, well, he has another wonderful story to tell. So until now, the parrot is still talking. So that's the story of the talking parrot. Do you like the story?
Yeah.
Really? Do you like it? Are you saying thank you to the high school?
Thank you.
Are you clap your hands for them? Yay! Are you going on now, high school? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi, you stay here.
Oh yeah.
You help downstairs. Ate Floyd and Ate MC will be staying with you as they will be spending their time with you this morning. Ano activity niyo? You can ask them about the story.
I wanted to get